Hi, my name is Fernando Mercedes and I'm here to show you PEV. It's our open source PE file analysis toolkit. So what you can do with PEV is, well, first of all, PEV is a toolkit, so it's not a single program. But the most basic one, it's called read PE. Basically parses the whole PE file and displays information about its headers or sections and so on. So if you want to get, for example, the cough header for a file named .exe, you're going to see uh, the output. And most of the PEV binaries also support different uh, output formats, for example, XML. So you can easily use PEV tools to make some kind of automation and connect its output and send it to a database or something. So readbe is the first one, the most basic tool to get information about headers and sections. If you don't put any option, readbe is going to produce a very verbose output. It's basically parses all the whole file. So I'm going to pipe its output to a less program. Then you see the DOS header, cough or file header, optional or image header, the data directories, the functions imported by this file, and a lot of useful information for those who are analyzing PE files. Okay, that's the first binary. Another interesting one is the pdis. It's our disassembler, command line disassembler, but it does a little bit more than that. For example, you can ask pdis to disassemble, let's say 10 instructions, not 10 bytes, but 10 instructions from the entry point of a PE file, right? So you have there 10 instructions from the entry point. And of course, you can set any specific offset, file offset, or RVA. It's also supported. Or you can disassemble a whole section. It's up to you. Another interesting one is p hash. So it basically calculates all the most interesting hashes for a file, for a given file. So if I use the all option -a, I get first the file hashes, so considering the whole file, int5, sha1, and so on. Imp hash is a recent addition on the latest version of PEV toolkit. So the version 0.80 has this as a new feature. SSD was already included, so it's a fuzzy hash. And for those other sections, it makes sense. We also calculate like SSD and the other hashes. So you can compare PE files among them, right? Using these fuzzy hash techniques or even the common hash algorithms. Okay, lastly, well, there are a lot of different tools in the PEV toolkit. If you want to see all of them, please go to the documentation and see all the available tools. I will just show one more. There is pscan. So it basically runs some scans into a binary to see if there's something uncommon. For example, it calculates the file entropy. It checks for some technique of FPU entity-asm, but this is an ongoing project, so we're gonna add more rules in the future. It checks the DOS tab, the image base, the entry point, if it's normal, whether it's normal or not, the timestamp, if it's not, like the, it's a future, if it's a future timestamp that is in the future, so it's probably something valid, or if it's zeroed or something. Also checks the sections to understand what the checks are. You have to have a look at the source code, but yeah, that's it. This is what I wanted to show you with this new version of Path. That is, oops, yeah, that's the website. So we have there all the documentation that is necessary to understand how Path works and what it can do for you to help you on the P file analysis. And yes, so that's the new version released recently, actually today, the day I'm recording this video. And I hope you enjoy. And of course, PEV is GPL, so it's free software. So if you think you found a bug and you want to send a patch, or if you want to contribute with either documentation or code or anything, please just drop us a line and let us know. Thank you.